Hey guys, it's Maymay, and today I'm going to show you how to use the free SVGs that come with my stamp sets. So once you purchase one of my stamp sets and you want to download an SVG, let me show you where to do that. If you go to maymaymadeit.info, this is our new blog where we keep everything in one place. You can click right here where it says, or not click, but hover over where it says free downloads, and then you'll see SVG files. So you're going to click on SVG files, and when you do, it's going to take you to another page. Now, this page has a list of all of the titles of SVGs we have available. Now, there may be an older one that I don't have available. If there's one you're looking for, if you'll just email us at info@maymaymadeit.com and let us know, we'll get one made for you. But I'm pretty sure this is just about every one. Now, I need to get a few today. I'm going to run back up here to the top. The few that I want to get are, let's see, we'll start with Berry Special. So I'll go right up here to the top. They are in alphabetical order for you. So I'm going to go up here and click on Berry Special. Now, I want you to see something. I did not want to make this difficult for you. So these are not technically downloads. What these are images. And what you'll do once you've opened this little shapey deal here is you're going to right click on your computer. When you do, you're going to see this option that says Save As. You click Save As, and then you need to tell this where you want it to save. Mine is going to save to my desktop, and you'll notice that it's called Berry Special SVG. That's exactly what I want it to do. So I'm going to click Save. Now what I want to do is I want to arrow back, and I want to get the other ones that I need. Let's see. I've got a bunch of stamp sets sitting here on the desk. I need to get Tons of Fun, which is going to be way down here at the bottom. So there it is. Click on Tons of Fun. I'm going to right click on my computer, Save As, make sure it goes to my desktop just because it's easy for me to find it there. It is named, and I'll click Save. Now I'm going to go grab the other ones I need, and then I'll show you how we put them in Cricut and we organize them. So now that you have all of your SVGs onto your computer, here's what you'll need to do. We need to upload them. So what I'm going to do is just start a new project, just like this. And in the left-hand bar at the bottom, you can see the option that says Upload. I'm going to click that. And when I do, I'm going to want to choose an image. And here's how you can know, make it super easy. What am I putting in here? I want to put in an SVG. So look right here. This is the one I want, SVG. So I'm going to say Upload Image. Now I just need to browse. And I need to make sure I'm on my desktop, and I am. You can see I'm on my desktop here. So all of these that I just did, I need to bring in. So I'm going to click one, and then I'm going to say Open. And when I do that, it's going to bring it into my system. Now, I want you to see something. These red lines, or these single lines, they may not all be red, but they're single lines. That's what you're looking for. That blue tile in the background lets you know that this is a transparent image. That's what we want, okay? So now what I want to do is I want to name this little guy. So let's go right up here. And this one is Charming Chicks. And I like to name them all. And it's good to tag them. If you want to call this Chicks, or if you want to say Maymay SVG, that's another good thing to say, but it's good to tag them with different words, okay? And then I'm going to say Upload. Now you'll see that it's right here. See it? And now if I click on it and I say Insert Image, it goes right into Cricut for me. Now here's something I want to show you that's real important. All right. You can save this now as a project. And the reason is every time I want to use this, I don't have to insert or upload that SVG every time. I can save this as a project so I can then go back and organize it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to come up here to the top right and click Save. And I'm just going to name this Charming Chick. Now the reason this works is because this SVG is never going to change. It's always going to work with this stamp set, right? So I don't have to recreate it over and over again. So I am then going to call this and Maymay SVG. I'm going to put it into this category and say Save. Now, every time I need it, I can get it that way. And this guy is already sized the way you need it to be. Never drag your SVGs. Unless you're resizing them on purpose. With stamp sets, you need it to stay the size that we give it to you so that it will work with your images, okay? So let me go and upload the rest of my SVGs, and then I'll show you how to organize them. So now that I've uploaded all the SVGs I want to use today, and believe it or not, I am cutting all these today. That's why I uploaded so many at one time. I can now organize these guys, and let me show you how. This is the home page, and here you can see my projects. I'm going to click View All. Now, you could organize them as you save them, like I showed you the first time. But if you have not organized your projects before, I want to show you how to do this. What you do is you come right up here where it says organize, and you're going to select those SVGs that you just uploaded. Okay, so you see how I'm selecting them and they're turning green. I also know I'm selecting them because when I come down here at the bottom, I can see I've selected 6 of 100 items, and I'm going to say next. And now it lets me choose where I want to put them. So I'm going to just put those into Maymay SVGs and do done. Now, when I come in and I want to find an SVG, I just click on Maymay SVGs and use it. Now, I will tell you, I don't always save all my SVGs. Sometimes I use them and just don't save the project, etc. You can see I don't have everyone saved in here. But today in particular, I want to cut all of these because I want to do a bunch of stamping for some projects I'm doing. So I thought I'd go ahead and show you how to do this. So I hope that helps you with the Maymay SVGs that are free for you. You can go grab those, and then you can use these images any old way you want. You can manipulate them just like you do every other image in Cricut. Except if you want them to use with your stamps, you have to leave them the size they are when they come into the project. Don't stretch them. All right, guys, thanks so much. If you have some other things you'd like to see from Cricut, let me know. I'll film some tip videos for you and kind of help you out with that if you'd like to see me do that. And until next time, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notices whenever I do post a video. Thanks so much, guys. Bye now.